Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into a magical world with the best paper sky lanterns available in the market. Whether you're planning a special event or simply want to add a touch of enchantment to your surroundings, these lanterns are sure to elevate any occasion. Paper sky lanterns have a long history of symbolizing hope, dreams, and celebrations across various cultures. They are not just decorations but carriers of wishes and aspirations that soar high into the night sky. Crafted from high-quality fire-resistant paper, these lanterns are designed to ensure safety while providing an unforgettable experience. Each lantern boasts intricate patterns and vibrant colors that catch the eye and create a mesmerizing spectacle when lit. Worried about the setup? Fear not. These lanterns are incredibly easy to assemble. Simply unfold them, light the fuel cell, and watch as they gracefully float up into the sky. It's a breathtaking sight that never fails to captivate. What about the environment? These lanterns are made from biodegradable materials, ensuring that your celebrations are not only memorable but also environmentally responsible. From intimate gatherings to grand celebrations, these lanterns add a touch of magic to any event. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or a festival, they create an ambiance that is simply unforgettable. Safety is paramount. Each lantern comes with clear instructions on safe usage, including wind conditions and suitable launch areas. Following these guidelines ensures a smooth and safe experience for everyone involved. So, whether you're celebrating a milestone or simply want to add a touch of wonder to your day, these paper sky lanterns are the perfect choice. Embrace the magic, spread positivity, and let your dreams take flight with the best paper sky lanterns on the market. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep shining bright. See you soon.